This Ultraleap tutorial covers how to get started with the hands module. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to bind our hand tracking data to one of the sets of hands in the Unity Hands module package, or hand assets you've got from somewhere else or even modelled yourself. The first step is to head to our developer site to download the Unity modules package, making sure your setup meets the minimum requirements. All links are in the description. The Unity modules package includes Core, Interaction Engine and the Hands module. Once it's downloaded, import Core, Interaction Engine and the Hands module into your Unity project and check that you can locate them within the Assets folder. Next, add the LeapHandController prefab to the scene. Add a Hand Model Manager component by first selecting your camera position, then searching for Hand Model Manager in the Add Component field. Create a new field in the model pool of the Hand Model Manager by changing the size field to 1 and give the new element a group name. Next, navigate to the Hands module folder from the Plugins menu in the Assets folder. Open the Hand Assets folder and pick the hands of your choice. Here we're using skeleton hands. Add both a left and right hand 3D model under the Hand Model Manager GameObject. This is our left hand, which we copy to make our right hand. Now add a hand binder component to each of the hand models. Search for hand binder in the Add Component field and then drag each hand binder component to the relevant model in the Hand Model Manager. Make sure the Is Enabled box is ticked. Press the Bind Hands button on both the left and right hands. This will automatically bind your hands to the tracking data. Alternatively, you can drag and drop game objects from the scene into the slots on the hand binder yourself. The dots will turn green once they are successfully bound to the tracking data. Once bound, calculate the rotation offsets by pressing the button. Your hands are now bound with our tracking data.